All right, good evening, everybody. How you guys doing? Welcome to the Premier Live Musical Program on radio. If you're wondering, why is Rico sitting down and chilling? Because today it is a rainy day outside, but we're here to give y'all sort of a vibe that we're doing. Well, joining us tonight is none other than rising OPM powerhouse, Gigi Delana, who is ushering a new chapter of her artistry with the release of her latest single, Ulap, a heartfelt collaboration with acclaimed band Ben and Ben, I almost said M2M. Ben and Ben, the track composed by Paulo and Miguel Benjamin, carries the band's signature folk pop soul, but it is Gigi's unique interpretation that transforms a song into something deeply personal and raw. I heard her sound checking, akaiyak siya. Grabe. For Gigi, Ulap marks a significant milestone, a bridge from her beginnings as a viral cover artist to an original OPM voice carving her own space. We'll get to know what Gigi's been up to in just a bit, but for now, here's last week's front act. Here is Quad Lips. This is The Monster.
Monster RX 93.1 presents the concert series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The concert series. Your host, Rico Robles. Monster RX 93.1.
I'm okay. I'm hungry.
You're hungry, yeah? First time na mag-meet tayo, actually.
In person?
Yeah, in person. You know, the last
nice
time
to see
it was
you. Nice to see you.
It was in an interview during the pandemic a couple of times. So how's everything? How's everything going?
How's everything? Well, I'm more focused on doing my originals now. Actually, I've been doing originals since 2020. Hindi ko lang siya natatapos. Ngayon kasi mas align na eh. So, mas marami na akong nami-meet ngayon na talagang great composers, you know.
Yeah, I mean, it all started, we all know that, for being online and doing the onlines, doing the covers. What was the step of, like, performing your own songs? Kinabahan ka ba ng una, yung original na yung kinakanta mo, na para bang, was it challenging?
Noong 2022, nung nag-release kami ng album, hindi kasi namin siya, alam mo yun, kwento ko lang nag-release kami ng album nung pandemic, tapos hindi namin siya kinakanta na live. Mas more on covers pa kami. Pero now na I'm performing talaga yung originals ko now. Lalo na yung single ko na Ulap is very overwhelming pa rin siya for me. Parang, it feels like first time ko, every time nakakantahin ko yung song, kinakabahan ako. Okay. Mas kinakabahan ako kesa dun sa mga covers. Kasi ang tagal ko nang ginagawa yan eh. Kumakanta talaga ako ng covers eh. Sa wedding, sa debut, ganyan. Kahit saan kumakanta ako ng covers.
Yun yung gig, yun yung racket.
Racket
yun yung bread and butter, as they do say.
Totoo. Yeah. So ngayon, mas kinakabahan ako sa sa original.
I mean, when you sing your songs, ikaw yung didiskarte, no? I mean, that's why is it like that? Kasi pag you do the covers, may guide. Okay, ito yung tama, ito yung style.
Yes, may guide. Yes.
This kind of thing. And when you do write your music, how does that go? Do you write your own original?
I am writing my own
is it harder?
original. It's hard. Mahirap gumawa ng kanta, lalo na kapag ikaw lang mag-isa. So, kailangan mo talaga ng team.
What are the challenges na hinarap mo na when you're writing? I mean,
I'm writing my own songs.
Sobrang personal yun. You gotta dig deep.
Well, nung ginagawa ko siya kailan ba to? Nung first time ko siyang ginawa nung 2020. Para lang ako naglalaro. Kasi hindi ko alam yung steps eh. Hindi ko alam, saan ba ako magsisimula? Kailangan ko bang simulan sa melody? Kailangan ko bang simulan na muna, mag-humming muna ako? Or kailangan ko bang isulat muna siya ng lyrics lang? So, ang ginawa ko nun, nasa car ako, and then, mag-isa lang ako. Sabi ko, parang gusto kong gumawa ng kanta. So, habang nag-iisip ako, may naririnig akong tono. Ang narinig ko is, parang wedding vibe eh. Yun yung narinig ko. And then, habang ginagawa ko siya, nakakagawa na ako ng verse. Unti-unti ko siyang ginagawa.
So, nire-record mo siya on your phone?
Nire-record ko siya on my phone para hindi ko makalimutan.
Yes.
Tapos, after ko siyang i-record yung time na yun, nakagawa ako ng verse, naalala ko siya all throughout the day. Kasi ang dami nangyari nung araw na yon. Parang hinihintay ko, I have a partner kasi hinihintay ko yung partner ko na matapos sa wedding. Nagigig siya nun eh.
Tumutugtog?
Kumakanta siya. Tapos, nung nakauwi na kami, naalala ko pa rin yung melody. Ibig sabihin, nag-stick siya.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Ibig sabihin, mag-work. Mag-work yung song. So, kahit pa paano, maaalala siya ng tao. May recall.
Are you gonna be performing that song today?
Yes, the next
right.
one. That's
We're
the next
gonna-
one.
that's the
You're
story
gonna hear
behind
it.
that
You're
one.
gonna hear it.
Well, one of the stories also that I discovered is that, of course, of all the covers that you have done, you have had the highest following in YouTube. You had all of that, diba? And then there was a story
Grabe.
that I heard na all of that disappeared.
Yes.
For a content creator, that's like your world, diba? Can you tell us a story? Ano yung kwento?
Mga bato ah. Okay, yun yung first YouTube channel namin. Dito kasi kami nagla-live streaming din eh. So, nung time na to, hindi pa namin alam yung rules talaga. Rules and regulations lalo na sa OPM. Eh, nung time na yon, ang dami naming ina-upload na OPM songs na talagang, alam mo yun, sikat din.
Like massive hits. But when you
Yes.
do the cover, you do your own touch to it.
Yes,
Take it a
yes.
few octaves higher, and it becomes a hit.
Yeah. Tapos, hindi ko kasi mabanggit eh. Di ko na nababanggitin na. Basta na-strike kami ng 7 times.
All,
Usually, parang 3 lang eh. O kaya pa isa-isa lang dapat eh. May warning
tapos
yan.
dispute mo.
Exactly. Pero, na-strike kami ng 7 times. So, automatic yun, shutdown yun.
Wow.
Shutdown siya talaga. Nung nakita namin yun, parang gumuho yung, yung mundo ko. Kasi yun yung parang source eh. Source din ng income namin at that time. Tapos, yung mga tao, talagang pinapanood kami.
Yeah, I was telling her off-air earlier that my mom and my dad and everybody in Los Angeles and Cerritos,
Grabe yun. Hi,
you're on
everyone.
the big screen while they're playing their card game and mahjong. You're
Mahjong.
on the big screen in our garage.
Grabe, thank you po,
and it's
thank
you
you.
playing. Lahat
Grabe.
ng mga taga-abroad loves you.
Yep.
In your music.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam na ganun na pala yung effect.
Yes.
Yung effect na yun, grabe. Thank you. Honestly, I'm grateful for that. Thank you so much.
Now, when that crashed, I mean, you guys felt bad. When was it time na para bang, what was the next step na ginawa ninyo? on those days?
Yung director namin and producer at that moment, talagang hindi na siya nag-isip ng I mean, hindi na tumagal. Ang ginawa niya agad is create agad ng bagong YouTube.
channel.
No. Wag tayong mag-dwell sa negativity. Wag tayong maging sad. Gawa na lang tayo ng bago and then invite them again. Kasi hindi naman naalis yung Facebook namin eh. Yung Facebook live streaming eh. So
that's a good part.
that's the good part. So, habang nag-live kami sa Facebook, meron po kaming new channel. Ayan, kaka-create lang po namin na shutdown po kasi kami. Ganon. So, punta po kayo dito sa bago namin YouTube channel. And then, ayun, doon na nag-start.
So what are they do say you pick up something when something happens to your life, right? Na ganyan. For a content creator, that's tragic. It's like a house burning down, diba? So ano yung na-pick up mo? Ano yung natutunan mo?
Natutunan, wag masyadong mag-dwell sa negativity kasi kaya mo naman bumangon agad eh.
Just keep on pushing forward.
Yes. And, paano ba to? Marami na rin kasi ako pinagdaanan. Marami na akong pinagdaanan as a person. Dami kong nilelet ko, ang dami kong nakikilalang tao na scam ako. So talagang, bangon talaga agad eh. Bangon, kaya mo eh.
Yeah,
Kaya mo eh. Kaya natin yan eh. At saka, marami rin kasi akong nakilalang tao na nag-guide din sa akin. So I'm very thankful for them.
It's really the importance of surrounding yourself with the right support team,
Yes.
support group, and not let everybody in. Kaya nga, you tend to get scammed in a way.
Yeah.
But it's just
Wag ka
moving
maging, trusting masyado.
So are you writing songs about that too?
I will be right.
Yeah. Ooh, I can't wait for those songs and the vengeance of all. But the songs that you're performing tonight, ano yung mga kanta na? These are all your originals. Are these
Yes.
from before or is this like the latest releases?
Yung first na kinanta ko, which ang title niya is Topak, nirelease namin yung 2022. Gusto ko, ano yung kwento ng Topak na yan. Because me and my partner, nag-away kami niyan. Parang nag-away kami whole night, tas hindi ko siya pinapansin at all. Okay, tapos, ang ginawa niya, nag-jogging siya. So, habang nag-jogging siya, may naisip daw siya na, na lyrics and tono agad. So, nung morning na nag-jogging siya, nakabuo na daw siya ng kanta, tas ginising niya ako. Kabuo ko ng kanta. Galit pa siya sa akin. Galit pa siya. Galit pa siya. Tingnan mo. Ganyan. Nung nakita ko, natuwa ako kasi that's me. Kasi, okay, totopakin kasi ako. Before hindi na ngayon.
Define. Okay, what is
Bago na
topak?
Topak.
Everybody has their own definition, right? Pag si Gigi...
Pag ako, okay. Paano to? Okay. Mabilis ako mairita. Noong time na yon. And parang kahit anong sabihin niya, parang naiirita ata ako sa kanya. Hindi ko alam
Is it
kung...
the look of the person's face? Tono ng boses?
Girls, we have that. We have that every month.
Oh, yes. The week before.
Yes, you know it.
Yes.
Tapos yung cramps, that's too much for us. So kapag dinadayo tayo, dumadating yan, sobrang init ng ulo ko, parang lahat ng gawin ng partner ko, naiirita ako. O kaya yung tunog lang ng pagnguya niya, na ibubusit na ako. Ang ingay-ingay mo. Huh?
Pati yung pagkuya, pinunda.
Tapos, nung time kasi na yan, may pinagkaselosan ako. So, yun yung madalas naming pag-awayan. So, ayun. Selosa din ako nung time na yan.
Now, hindi na.
Now, hindi na. Parang hindi na. Parang wala na akong pakialam.
Yeah, it's like more...
Parang wala na akong, kahit anong gawin mo. Bahala ka. Ganon. Siguro, I trust him that much now.
Okay, so we're gonna get to know that journey in just a bit. We're gonna hear this song. What's the next one, Sigafra?
The next one, I have my 2 original songs na release namin in 2022. O Bakit Ba? And First Night. O Bakit Ba yan yung kinumpose ko nung nasa car ako.
The humming song.
The humming song. O Bakit Ba? Itong O Bakit Ba na to, short story. Dapat wedding song siya. English siya dapat. Kaso nung narinig nila ng buong banda ko, sabi nila, parang maganda siya ng Tagalog. Hindi pala buong banda ng partner ko. Parang maganda siya na itagalog mo na lang. Tapos, mas dama and gawin mong heartbroken. So,
on your wedding day? Heartbroken
no. O Bakit Ba, ang kwento niya is, nung tinagalog ko na siya, inisip ko yung parang high school days ko. Tapos yung ex ko was, paulit-ulit akong hinihiwalayan. Just, I don't know, we are immature nung time na yun. We're at that age. Come on.
Crush na. May iba na akong crush. You're not my Valentine's anymore.
Parang ganon. Tsaka, pag bata kasi tayo or parang mga teenage years, parang ang bilis natin magbago eh. Ang bilis natin magano ng desisyon. Parang, pag-aya mo na, ayoko na sa'yo, tapos biglang mahal mo pala, pwede ba makipagbalikan ulit? Ganon.
So, bata ka pala, ganon ka na. We are learning so much as we go on.
But that's not me.
Yeah, I know.
Not
It's
me.
just a song.
It's just a song.
Okay, so we're going to hear the song. We're going to hear about 4 songs once again. If you do have any message for Gigi, do type it in. You can send it to us 0961-367-931. We'll make sure we'll go through it. We're also live on TikTok. We're live on the radio. You can hear us live, www.rx931.com. More of Gigi Delana. This is the concert series here on The Monster.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
So how am I gonna talk to her? You guys are enjoying her singing. Gigi Delana, she's here. She is joining us. We have been lahat nag-enjoy sa labas. Yeah, people there are like, wow. Kulang na lang yung mga kumatok next door. You know, great songs. How long have you been singing?
How long? Since I was 5.
Wow. And how did it
Yes.
get all started for you?
Okay, nag-start siya, syempre, nag-singing contest ako eh.
Mga Birit Babies. ganun.
Birit Babies? Yun ba yung tawag doon?
Yung sa Itbulaga. Yeah, Birit Babies.
Birit
Yeah.
Babies! Okay, since I was 8 kasi, talagang inaano na ako ng mom ko na talaga sa mga singing contest, sa school competitions. So, nag-start school competitions and then I joined Popstar Kids.
Popstar Kids.
Yes, Popstar
okay.
Kids. Noong time na yon, nag-season 1 din ako but hindi ako nakapasok sa grand finals. So, it's a long story. So, naging season 2 ako, pinasok ulit ako ng mga... Nakalimutan ko na kung sino nagpasok. Basta may nagpasok sa akin na taga-loob ng GMA. Tapos, alam mo ba, ang dami ko na kasing sinalihan. Nag-Itbulaga ako, ikaw at Eko. Tawag ng tanghala. Nilibot ko na yung buong mundo. Hindi lang buong mundo, buong station.
When you're joining those things, is there sort of a certain routine that you do? Or meron ka bang style
Routine.
na prayer, routine, anything before you get
Before
on stage? How do
I
you
get
feel
on.
when you...
I always pray.
And then what's the
pray ako.
mindset?
Nung bata ako,
Like,
syempre, wala
tawag
pa
ng
akong
tanghalan.
mindset.
That is,
Okay.
sobrang mainstream.
Iniisip ko
sobrang
tuloy, ano bang ginawa ko?
bakbakan yun, di ba? So,
Okay, grabe yung kaba ko, syempre, lalo na pag singing contest. Kasi ang dami kong kalaban na magagaling talaga. Tayo mga Pinoy, yan na ata yung ano natin. Dapat may tayo na ganyan, tournament, ganun. Kasi lahat tayo kumakanta, mahilig tayo sa video, okay.
grand winner lang naman tayo sa lahat ng reality show, bro. Di ba? Ganun lang yun.
Okay. Going back sa question mo, ritual ko, okay, I pray. Nung time na yun kasi buhay pa mom ko. So, ang ginagawa ko, parang mingi ako ng guidance sa kanya. Kailangan ko ng support niya, presence niya. Tapos, nag-vocalize ako syempre. Pero nung time na kasi na yun, yung mga singing competition ko, yung vocalization ko, parang hindi pa ganun ka buo. Kumaga, hindi pa siya
Mamemimo mo lang. Tapos,
ganon.
Yeah.
Tas, ganon. Pero ngayon, ang ginagawa ko, meron akong voice coach. Ay, hindi tawag dun voice coach parang teacher. Voice teacher, no?
to sing it at a certain way that you don't strain your voice and make the most.
Vocalization. Every morning. Every morning kasi dun yung yung boses mo kasi pag morning kailangan mo siya maset na agad. Para all throughout the day, nakaset na yung voice mo. Tapos hindi siya magagasgas.
So what's your setting today? Bedroom.
Bedroom voice.
Bedroom voice.
Yeah.
So,
Hindi ko alam ba't ganito yung voice ko ngayon siguro.
Lay back.
Ang dami kong ginagawa recently, so napapagod na siya. So ito na yung boses ko na medyo pagod.
People love it. Pagod pa yan sa lagay na yan.
Pagod to.
So when you set your voice like that, you do your vocalization.
Actually, hindi lang yun. I work out more on core exercise ako kasi kailangan, ito kasi yung strong Kailangan strong yung diaphragm mo kasi diyan mo kinukuha yung voice mo.
I have a very strong diaphragm.
You have, yes!
Oh, yeah.
Love it.
Learning.
Okay,
I'm taking up singing. Okay, so you work out and then you do the vocalization.
And breathing exercises.
Now, when did you decide that this is something you could do professionally? Kailan, anong age mo
when
na
did I
discover?
decide?
Na para bang, we could do something with this. I could,
What age? Oh. Well, pinagkakakitaan ko na to
Ano yun, your band and you before, other than the YouTube, tumutugtog talaga kayo saan-saan?
Oh, wedding, debut,
That's where the money's
private
at,
events,
weddings. Yeah,
patay.
Yeah. Even patay.
Yes.
What do you sing?
Ikaw ang aking.
Oh, yes. Tanging.
Yes. And sometimes, since tatanong nyo na, minsan yung favorite nung namatayan.
Then you would perform.
I will sing it.
Wow. Kung saan ang host, nandun din nga pala ang singer, hand in hand. You know what I mean? And then when you started doing it professionally, when was it taking it to the next level? You had your YouTube, we did talk about that. And then now, where are you now in your career? You're a solo artist now?
I am a solo artist and we've been producing original songs and I'm really, really excited kasi meron pa kaming i-open ko na ba to? I'm really excited kasi baka mag-release na ulit. Okay, ito sa mga nakikinig dyan, baka mag-release na ulit kami baka November. November and next year. And I have been collaborating with great artists. Tawa ako.
So this is a new album.
I can't tell you that. I can't tell you that.
Album. New. Collaboration.
Collaboration.
Sino naman sila? Flo G?
I can't say it.
Hip-hopan, rock-rockan.
Kung pwede, yes.
Yes.
Go
Do
ako
you
dyan.
rap? I mean,
I rap.
I see the super bass covers.
This one's for the boys, for the booms,
Yeah,
and tap
but
down.
any
bass.
other? You ever have your own?
Rap song?
Yeah.
Pinag-iisipan namin if gagawa ako. Kasi gusto ko din mag-rap eh. I love rapping, you know.
So what will be the alter ego? If there's like Cardi B, there is Gigi.
Doja Cat.
Yeah, that'll be it. That'll be cool.
I said what I said.
Yeah, that'll be big. That'll be big. But exciting stuff. But other than the music, are you getting into show business as well? Did that ever cross your mind? Entering acting and all
I did
that?
act. Okay, ito yung shout out to ABS, I love you. Ano nga ba yun? Four Sisters before the wedding. I don't know if mamumukha niyo ako doon. Ang name ko doon is, can I?
Go!
Love Me Tete. That's my name.
Love May Tete. Okay. It's
I don't know, bakit yun yung ginawa nila name sa akin eh. Pero nakakatuwa.
It's French.
And I accepted.
Love a Tete.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's French.
That's how I pronounce it nung nasa movie. My name is Love Me Tay-Tay. Ganon.
Kasi Taylor Swift. Tay-Tay. Love me
Tay-Tay.
Tay-Tay. Yun.
That's
Okay.
That's different though.
So you did the acting.
Yes, and Hello Heart. I did Hello Heart
Did you
with
enjoy?
Gerald. Yes, I did.
So
I did enjoy it. But kasi, nung time kasi na yon, mas gusto ko kasi mag-focus sa singing career ko. Kasi after kung mag-taping ng Hello Heart, kasi 1 month din yun eh. So everyday taping yan, everyday salita-salita. Walang rest talaga ng voice ko. Nung bumalik ako sa live streaming after the taping, parang nawala yung magic.
yung nag-raspy na yung...
No. The magic itself when I sing. Tapos yung connection ko with the band at that time, nawala. Parang sabi ko, oh no, this can't be happening. All of the years na inaral ko to, kung paano magsalita sa audience, kung paano ko sila... Lahat nawala. Kasi nawala yung magic. Yun lang. So gusto kong sinet aside ko muna yung acting
to really
career.
focus on what... That's
Yes,
yung
focus.
strong card mo eh. Di ba? That's
I want to focus on something. Kasi you can't serve two masters.
Well, kasi ang dami mo nang pinagdaanan eh. I mean, we were talking off air. You've gone through so many things. Ang dami mo nang paghuhugutan. Di ba? I mean, I could imagine show business. How was it like to you? Nagkaroon ka ba chismis? What was the chismis that was talked about that maybe I should know?
Okay, since ano mo na siya. May chismis sa akin recently, pero i-shut down ko na ngayon kasi ang dami na kasi nagtatanong sa akin. It's about the issue na Gerald and me, kami daw. Mas may anak daw kami.
Talaga? Ikaw din?
Okay.
Nag-volleyball ka ba? Di ba? Hindi naman. Okay, so how did you handle it? I mean, that is Gerald. He's like a big star, right? And the chismis, of course, gravitates.
Friends naman kami ni Je. Hindi ko pinatulan eh. Hindi ko, kumbaga, ang dami nagkataon, bakit hindi mo siya na-shutdown yung issue? Or bakit hindi mo bakit di daw ako maglagay ng parang, mag-post sa social medias ko na wala naman talaga kung gusto ko
confirm nor deny.
Oo, ganon. It's not a big deal for me. And kasi wala naman talaga eh. I know the truth eh. So parang to let all of you know na hindi siya totoo, time will reveal. Everything na kung totoo man o hindi. Tsaka nagdi-TikTok ako, paano ako buntes, be? Nagka-crop top
Your
ako.
stomach, she has a six-pack. Oh my God. You know what I mean? Okay, so I mean, that being said, thank you for sharing that with us. Kasi a lot of people are wondering, ano nga, di ba?
Yes.
And from that, ano yung takeaway mo with show business?
Takeaway?
Ano yung na-learn mo doon? Di ba, usually may silver lining yan. Na parang, okay, I'm gonna go back to singing. Sa singing, wala ka naman chismis. Di ka naman, di naman,
Wala.
no?
Ay, wait. Ang dami kasi. It's not chismis, actually. It's more of issues.
Okay,
na
what were the
ano,
issues that you stumbled upon?
Drug addict daw ako.
Because people are questioning, you
The
lost weight.
sudden
Yeah.
loss of my weight. It's not. Hindi ako drug addict. Nagkasakit ako. Nagkaroon ako ng bulimia. Na-address ko lang actually parang 7 months ago, 8 months ago. Recent lang. Na kung hindi ko pa siya i-address or kung hindi ko siya aminin na may bulimia ako, hindi ko matitigil.
It's sort of like, is it social media playing a factor to it? Online?
Kaya ako yung bulimia, nag-ano siya. Ang dami kasi nagsasabi na, tumataba ka na.
I get that every day. Yeah. And then?
You look good though.
Yeah,
You look good.
Chubbiness, I know. But
No, you look good. Don't mind them. Ano ba to? Tumataba ka na, mataba na yung face mo sa screen, nagkakaroon ka na ng cheeks, ganyan, tumataba na yung braso mo. Siyempre ako, I wanna be perfect all the time. Siyempre for my supporters, sa screen, kasi noong time na yan, talagang...
Camera pa naman.
It makes you big, yung camera, lalo na pag naka-wide kayo, wide lens. Grabe. So yun, sabi ko, ayokong tumaba. So, sinusuko ko, and that's wrong. That's wrong. Ano talaga, it's all in the mind eh.
And good thing you're able to seek help. That was it. What was the breaking point? Na parang, okay, I need to get help. You know.
Yung boses ko.
It was cracking because of the acidity coming up.
Yes.
Yeah.
And, ano pa? Is it a sin? Cause ang dami kasing ang daming hindi kumakain. So pag every time nakakain ako ng marami, naisip ko parang mali ito. Yung kumakain ako ng marami and then ilalabas ko. Ano ba tawag doon? Yung gluttony.
Yeah, gluttony.
It's a sin.
Yeah.
It is a sin. Tapos, iluluwa ko. So, isa yun sa nagpatigil sa akin sa bulimia.
And when you getting help for that, it starts again with your strong support system. That your fans for sure
My
understood
supporters,
your
my
journey. And your mom as well.
My mom.
You know, thank you for sharing with us your journey. I mean, not a lot of people get to hear that from people who go through it. And, you know, now that you've come to learn, ano yung natutunan mo when you're going through the treatment?
Ano natutunan ko? Love myself more. And i-accept ko if tataba ako. And work out, yeah. Kasi if you are going through bulimia, you won't be able to work out. Wala kang nutrients. Yes.
So it's really...
So ngayon kumakain na naman ako, but may mga moments na ayokong kumain. Imbes na ko, hindi na lang ako kakain kasi sin nga eh. Sin. So pagkakain ako, yung either gutom na gutom ako, or yung kapag kailangan ko ng mag-workout.
And then you eat.
I will eat.
Okay, you have to have a dietitian. Yeah. You have all that already?
No.
Oh, you gotta.
So kukuha na ako.
Yes.
Kukuha na ako.
Kasi ano na yun eh. It's depending on type of diet. Sorry, it became a health show. I know it's a concert series.
It's okay.
But we're going through her story because bihira akong makita to. It's our first time here in the studio. And thank you for sharing with us your journey. I know a lot of your fans kumukuha sa iyo ng lakas, whoever's tuning in now. Any advice, any message you have for anybody going through what you went through?
Oh, gosh. Actually, I don't know if you know her, RC. RC Silvestre. Yung sa social media, sa TikTok, palimos nga po. Same kami. Same kami na pinagdadaanan. And nakakwentuhan ko siya nun sa studio. I invited her kasi to do a collab eh. Panoorin niyo yun, yung collab namin, namamalimos kami. Anyway, ano ba sinabi niya sa akin? Parang tinanong niya rin ata ako kung paano ko siya naalis eh. Well, anyway, na-share ko lang na parehas kami ng ano. My advice, well, kailangan mo lang maging aware sa pinagdadaanan mo. Yun lang, awareness. Awareness and seek help. Seek help sa professionals para ma-cure nyo talaga. And of course, love yourself. Love yourself. You have to eat. Kailangan nyo kumain. You need nutrition.
And log out. Diba? Log out from social media.
Oh yes, isa pa
Especially-
yon. Lalo na pag stress ka. Ako kasi, hindi ko na alam kung ano nangyayari ngayon. Lalo na yung rally. Hindi ko talaga alam. I don't know what's happening ngayon
Kasi
sa
you're
ano.
logged out. Yeah.
And kapag magsa-socials lang ako, mag-post lang ako. Or yung ano ko, yung socials ko, naka-scheduled post.
So that you know you don't get the trolls in there. Yeah, so far your journey's been so well.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
and you're
Thank you,
sharing
Rico.
this. You're able to share it, which is great. You know what I mean, Gigi?
Yes.
And we thank you. We thank you.
Thank you.
You know, for this. Now back to your music. Okay, the song Ulap.
Yeah.
Could this be the soundtrack to all the journey that you have gone through?
Parang, kasi alam nyo nung narinig ko tong ulap na to na sinulat ni Miguel and Pau, nung napakinggan ko siya, parang ito yung pinagdadaanan ko. Parang nandito lahat sa kantang to. Lalo na dun sa may part na, ito yung lyrics niya, wag bibitaw kapag mahirap. So parang, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, nga no, hindi ako bumitaw.
There are times that you want to, but you'll be on the losing end. What was your source of strength?
My mom, pa rin,
What was the advice that she gave you that up to now you carry with you?
wag ka makinig sa ingay. You know what I mean? Don't listen to the noise. Noise, okay, explain ko na maayos. Yung mga bad things na sinasabi ng trolls. And yung mga puna ng mga taong nakakasama ko na, wag mong gawin to. Hindi bagay sa'yo. Hindi bagay sa'yo yan. Ay, ang pangit yan. Hindi ako makikinig sa ganun. I will do what I can and what I want, lalo na sa buhay ko. Kasi ako naman yung nagpapatakbo niyan eh. So, ayun. Don't listen to the noise.
Hey, thank you.
What?
Thank you. Learning so much. A round of applause to that. A milestone of Gigi Delano.
Ito pa, whatever you do it with purpose. Kailangan, hindi lang yung basta, paano ko siya i-explain?
Hindi lang for fame.
Hindi lang for fame.
Dapat may kahulugan.
Yung parang, bakit ka gumagawa ng song? Kaya ako gumagawa ng song yun kasi gusto kong mag-give back sa OPM. And I love OPM so much. Gusto ko makakontribute. Yun talaga yung pinaka-goal ko, makakontribute sa OPM.
The soundtracks of anthems of people.
Yes.
Now, are you gonna be forming a foundation, or is it gonna be? What's the next thing that you wanna? What's
do?
next that we look forward to?
What's next for me?
Yeah.
Okay. For now, more on originals. Actually, marami akong gustong gawin. Pero kasi, since yung goal ko now is to surprise my fans, my supporters, you guys, and surprise OPM na, Gigi can make her own originals because I've been doing covers for so many years.
Yeah.
And it's luck. It's luck na nakilala ako doon. And I'm grateful for that. But it's just a bonus. It's a bonus.
The originals are coming out.
Yes, originals are coming out.
It's
So
exciting
let's
times.
wait for it.
Is
Yes.
there a major concert? Is there one? Can we say it? Can you mention it?
Wait,
Is there a
wait.
biopic?
I have a concert coming up October 11. You can see the details sa social medias ko. Hindi ko kasi alam yung pinaka-complete details eh. But sa Alabang siya gagawin. Ang gagawin ko doon is more on my story. And yung songs na maririnig nyo is very classic siya talaga. Classic siya. And I will sing Ulap din.
There.
Of course, yes.
Where can they get tickets? Just get it on the socials. It's all there. You have any guests on that concert?
No, just me.
Just you.
Me and MPO.
Okay, this is Manila
Philharmonic Orchestra.
Yes, okay. Ooh, they got the strings
Yes,
out.
orchestra. Tutugtog sa akin is 25 piece.
An evening of crying and feeling with Gigi. All right,
A lot of emotions.
message to all your fans, your day one fans that stuck with you.
Oh, wow.
They're watching now. There's so many of them watching now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
So you have
hi. Okay. To my supporters, ano to, iyak ba ako dito? Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa akin since day one, lalo na yung mga ate ko. Ang pangalan niya, Ate Melay, Ate Dawn, Ate Jo. Hindi ko kayo maisa-isa, ang dami nyo. But since Pops Are Kids, nandyan kayo hanggang ngayon. And I just want you to know kung gaano ko kayo kamahal. And gagawin ko yung best ko kapag may mga shows na pumupunta kayo. I will try my best na makapagpa-picture tayo. So yun lang. Actually, mahal na mahal ko sila. Yun lang kaya ko sabihin ngayon eh. And I'm really, really grateful for you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
And message for all the monsters. Sorry, my battery ran out of my microphone. Message mo sa lahat ng fans here at the Monster. Kasi ang tagal na. This is your first time here. Finally, we got you here in the studio.
Grabe grabe. Ganito ba talaga kayo?
Yeah.
Nandito kayo lahat?
Yes, it's a whole staff.
Grabe, thank you. Thank you for having me. Alam niyo yun, tuwan-tuwa ako kanina pag pumapalak pa kayo. Tapos nakikita ko, you're jamming with me. Mga ganun kayo habang kumakanta. Thank
May
you.
dance number pa yan.
May dance. Thank you Maraming salamat. Gusto niyo ilabas ko kayo? Kain tayo sa labas. Date tayo. Gusto niyo? I'll make
Ta-time out na yung mga
Actually,
yan.
I'll make time for you. Yun kasi isa sa mga love language ko eh. I make time for people that I love.
Thank you for making time for us here.
Yes, thank
Thank
you.
you for all your fans, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for sharing with us your very courageous story and the challenges that you have gone through, and you have overcame all of them. Galing. And
Thank
we
you.
are proud and we are happy that you're back in music and the original songs are coming out,
Thank
Gigi.
you, thank
Okay, so Ulap, of course, you can request for it here on The Monster. Working with Ben and Ben, what's your message for Ben and Ben?
Grabe. Miguel, Pao, I love you. Maraming salamat sa pag-introduce sa akin sa kantang to. And of course, salamat sa knowledge na binigay niya sa akin na nung bago ako mag-recording, ito talaga yung naisip ko na hindi mo kailangan ibigay lahat dun sa song. Kumbaga, may konting hold back. Kasi mas dun lalabas yung feelings. Alam ko mas dun. Hindi po. Yes!
That's not a power.
So thank you, Miguel and Pao. Sana makakolab tayo ng ako din magsusulat. Kasi gusto ko yon. Tara na. Let's go. VJ. Tara.
The deal is set. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is her latest single. Once again, we'd like to thank... what's the name of your guitarist?
Oyus.
Oyus! Hey, chilling in the background.
Galing din kumanta yan.
Yeah. Watch out for his solo stuff. Or he works with you all the time. in your
He
band?
works with me now.
Solo
Solo din siya.
All right, coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, we got her live here in the Monster Studio once again. Gigi Delana.
The Concert Series. Live on The Monster.